The cost is not at all at its peak. People's optimism is beginning to fade. And something horrible occurred in the middle of this growing uncertainty. Things became worse as a result of this. But maybe this is exactly what we have been waiting for so long. A growing number of people who are new to cryptocurrency see it like a casino. They randomly purchase and sell currency. It annihilates the natural development of any worthwhile cryptocurrency initiative. What relevance does Blackrock have to this, though? And why may this be the pivotal point in the history of cryptocurrency? Okay, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The cryptocurrency industry hasn't been as exciting recently. Nothing exciting seems to be happening. There don't appear to be any major changes or breakthroughs to pique interest. And that was just today when things became much worse. Firms that manage Ethereum ETFs, such as Blackrock, have reported. Moreover, they lacked beauty. There have been outflows over the last 8 days in a row. This indicates that investors have started to withdraw their funds, instead of pushing it within. This is not only a little insignificant incident, it exacerbates the sense of staleness that already exists in the crypto industry. The general atmosphere has become even more negative as money has been withdrawing from Ethereum ETFs. These outflows, coupled with the absence of fresh energy, have further depressed an already boring market. This undoubtedly has a big effect on Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency ventures. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu has something to be happy about today despite all of this negativity. Just now, the official Shiba Inu account on X sent a happy message. Greetings on International Dog Day. Although it may seem little, this is more than simply a joyful shout-out. With its dog-themed logo, Shiba Inu has long been proud of its canine heritage. This celebration draws some favorable attention and is in perfect alignment with the identity of the token. This type of interaction may help rekindle community excitement and inspire interest during a down market. It serves as a reminder of the distinct allure of Shiba Inu and how they still manage to stand apart. As a result, Shiba Inu is taking advantage of this quiet period in the cryptocurrency industry to make some noise and maybe increase its market share. But what's really important is how Shiba Inus are now causing a stir. Shiba Inu have gotten quite popular recently. Recent data from Into the Block, an on-chain platform, indicates a significant increase in whale activity involving Shiba Inu. Large transactions in Shiba Inu have increased dramatically during the last day. Over 1 trillion Shiba Inu worth of transactions have been made in total, which translates into a rise in value from over $19 million to over $21 million. To put things in context, there were 69 of these significant deals, with an average value of around 20 billion Shiba Inu, or about $300,000. The Into the Block criterion classifies transactions as big if they total more than $100,000. We're seeing transactions that are around 3 times that amount at the moment, which is really noteworthy. The recent changes in Shiba Inu prices may be partially explained by this increase in whale activity. The increasing volume of purchases and sales by major investors sheds light on the token's present performance. And as a result, Shiba Inu recently saw a significant price increase. Following this spike, there was a little sell-off that resulted in a slight decline. Buyers rapidly entered the market again, however, and the price increased slightly before stabilizing into a more consistent trend. These abrupt changes in pricing often signal a spike in purchasing activity. Price spikes this sharp often signal the involvement of large players. The higher trade volume we're seeing for Shiba Inu supports this. Shiba Inu is obviously attracting the attention of whales and bulls. This is clear from on-chain statistics, which indicates that the price of Shiba Inu has increased significantly by 14% in the last week. It's unclear how long this momentum will persist. However, Shiba Inus are firmly back in the news for the time being, and this is a really significant point. I indicated before that there were Ethereum ETF outflows for 8 days, but when we turn our attention to Bitcoin, the situation is quite different. Bitcoin is exceeding earlier bull market cycles and displaying a much more optimistic tendency. It's amazing. A new article on X claims that the current Bitcoin bull run is surpassing both the cycles of 2015 and 2018. This indicates a robust rising trend that is drawing interest from several investors. This demonstration demonstrates the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is creating waves and establishing new norms while other industries are suffering. The divergent nature of the cryptocurrency market is shown by the difference between Ethereum's recent outflows and Bitcoin's strong performance. Even while Bitcoin is advancing, not all markets are doing well, as shown by the volatility impacting Ethereum ETFs. This might mean that the present withdrawals from Ethereum ETFs are really a little blip on the path to larger profits. Here's something intriguing to consider. You may have noticed how monotonous things have been recently if you have been watching the pricing charts. Ethereum ETFs revealed a few weeks ago that this would be a significant development for Bitcoin. The market used to be full of daily excitement and violent fluctuations. Seeing the fresh highs and lows every day was exhilarating. The scenario has changed now. The market seems to be trapped in a stale pattern with no notable upswings or downward trends. For investors who were used to the continual excitement of daily changes, this change may be quite upsetting. After the previous volatility, the present calm may seem like a disappointment. However, why is this taking place? Well, someone on X provided a concise justification. They said that the market is presently at a stage when the majority of participants are in it for the long run. They don't care as much about sudden fluctuations in pricing. As we saw in 2017 and 2021, the enthusiasm and anticipation tend to grow around local peaks or when Bitcoin is making substantial gains. These protracted, choppy times, however, may sometimes be advantageous. They aid in the removal of irrationally emotional traders and investors who make snap decisions about the market based on minor news releases or changes in price. This is particularly true for the current influx of new cryptocurrency investors. A large portion of these novices use cryptocurrency like a casino, splurging blindly in the hopes of striking it rich soon. This has led to significant volatility and made it difficult for some cryptocurrency ventures to gain traction. Thus, some serenity and consistency may be just what the market needs at this particular time. It may assist in driving away these speculators and short-term thinking, so that the market can gradually establish a stronger base. This could end up being a much healthier setting for all parties concerned in the long run. Shiba Inu is among the several cryptocurrencies that may have already reached this stage. However, Bitcoin and Ethereum must take the lead if they are to expand steadily. This then connects to what we discussed before with Ethereum ETFs. Ethereum's ETF withdrawals may seem to be a setback, but the state of the market as a whole indicates that we may be entering a consolidation period. When the market stabilizes and big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum start to show better momentum, this might pave the way for a fresh rise. Speaking about Ethereum, a lot of experts believe that we might soon be seeing a significant bull rise after the Ethereum ETF outflows have stopped. This is due to predictions made by certain experts that Ethereum's market capitalization might approach $3 trillion. With a market capitalization of about $334 billion at now, Ethereum has grown by over 10 times. For a short while in November 2021, during its heyday, Ethereum's market capitalization exceeded $500 billion. Thus, a significant increase in Ethereum's price would be indicated if its market capitalization were to reach $3 trillion. The whole cryptocurrency market may be impacted by this type of expansion. How will this affect Shiba Inu, though? Shiba Inus have historically done well during more general positive movements in the cryptocurrency market. If Ethereum succeeds in hitting its lofty goal, Shiba Inu will probably gain from the increasing trend as well. Considering its present pricing, Shiba Inu stands to earn a lot if Ethereum's expansion propels the market higher. This has the ability to propel Shiba Inu to unprecedented heights, maybe even exceeding its past record highs. In that case, Shiba Inu's market capitalization would reach almost $81 billion, which would be a tremendous accomplishment for this meme currency. It's crucial to keep in mind, however, that Shiba Inu may benefit even more if Ethereum's market capitalization hits $3 trillion. The market capitalization of Bitcoin is usually more than 3 times that of Ethereum. Therefore, if Ethereum's worth reaches $3 trillion, Bitcoin's valuation might rise to around $10 trillion, driving up the cost of a coin to over $500,000. Meme currencies like Shiba Inu may expand rapidly in a market like this. Shiba Inu had an amazing rise during the last bull cycle, and in a booming market, there's a good chance that they may rise much higher. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.